Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Click Between Frames. First, launch Geometry Dash and open your GD Mod menu. You'll typically find this by pressing a hotkey, often the tilde key or a custom bind. Once the menu is open, look for a Settings or General tab, which usually houses various utility options. This is where we will find the specific feature we need to enable for seamless navigation. After locating the Click Between Frames option, simply click on it to toggle it to the on position. You might notice an immediate visual change, indicating that the feature is now active. This setting transforms how you interact with the mod menu, allowing for a much more intuitive experience. Instead of using arrow keys or other binds, you can now directly click on different sections. With the feature enabled, navigating your GD Mod menu becomes incredibly straightforward. Simply move your mouse cursor over any visible frame or section title within the menu and click it. The menu will instantly transition to display the content of that chosen frame. This method provides a quick and precise way to jump between different mod categories, saving you valuable time and effort. Using Click Between Frames significantly enhances your mod menu experience, making navigation much faster and more intuitive. It's a small but powerful quality-of-life improvement. For even greater efficiency, consider combining this click-based navigation with any custom hotkeys you might have set up. Experiment with different menu layouts to find what works best for your personal workflow and preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.